Good morning to everyone. This is my Capstone project, and it's called a QuestLog, a gamified to-do list. So basically, the name QuestLog to-do list. It's a web application that enhances productivity through gamification. So my name is Joshua James Scott, and I had this love for games, and also based on RPG or like fantasy type. And usually I would be lazing around and wasting my time, postponing all my main tasks that I should be doing every day. So I decided to make it a fun adventure to help myself, and I think to help others also to stay productive every day. So Gamified, the QuestLog is a gamified task manager that lets users complete quests to do items, earn XP, level up by defeating enemies, and also they can use AI assistants to ask for some task suggestions that they can do on their daily basis. So it's a target audience that hits more to like students or people who are usually at home, anyone who wants to stay productive with a fun little twist. So the tech stack is basically the front end is a React plus Vite, and then the back end API is a Replit plus Express and PostgreSQL, which I can show you. And then it goes on to the Neon console, which basically links to the user stats, their tasks, and the Firebase is basically authentication to their email and password, and then it's also to storage for images. And then this is the GitHub. So basically, for challenges that I faced was managing like the stack across multiple features. So basically the XP, the task, the enemy HP, when it's linking to like for each user, and then putting the Firebase and the OpenAI to sync to Vercel. And after uploading to Vercel, there was some error problems with like routing it and all, and I had to change some of the main files. And for the next part is the architecture overview, which is like it's basically a React front end with Firebase off and Firestore to Node.js plus a PostgreSQL API. And then the Firebase storage is for the enemy and like the homepage images. The AI chat box uses OpenAI API that will via fetch call using some of the .env variables. So I'm gonna send the link in the chat. Just note that so the mobile view is a bit squashed because it's more for a desktop experience, because its width is longer. So once we get into it, then I can show you. So hopefully that's link works. And while you're at it, there's a small little video that I can show you. Okay, so this is the QuestLog home page. Shows the bottom login, sign up, and there's a play button in the middle. Play button leads to the login page, the sign up page, and since we're starting out first, we're going to sign up with a new user, Joshua Lazy at home.com. And basically, you can sign up, and once it's straight away done, it leads to your welcome to your journey. And you can basically add in your username to anything. once you start your quest, you come to your main hub where you have your days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and you can add your tasks and anyone, whatever you have to do basically on a daily basis, whether it is breakfast, you want to remember to even drink water, or you want to clean this, clean that, you want to fix, you need to remember to fix your car, or you need to finish some of the work that you haven't done yet. And once you keep adding in tasks, it also, at the stats there, it shows your level, your XP, your current XP, your quest completed, your current streak for like the number of days that you put the amount of tasks and you ticked all of it. Then it also it shows your damage. So basically, when you apply a quest and you tick it, you do damage to the enemy, as you can see in the top right, where it shows his health bar a bit. And every time you do damage, you basically, once you kill him, you get a certain amount of XP and you level up, and you go to the next, and you get to the next boss. So like right now, I'm adding in more tasks for like anything to do like your daily things. And like Saturday, if you already packed with full of things, so you want to water the plants, you want to clear the storeroom, or so. And once you're done, as you tick, it does damage to the enemy, as you can see, and it will indicate that it's showing that it's dealing damage to his health bar. And once it dies, it shows you that you leveled up, you get XP for it. And then you keep going on until it goes to the next level 3 and level 4. And at the same time, you can add a chat AI assistant. So basically this one, you can ask for, suggest daily tasks that you need. Suggest me 2 daily tasks. And then it will give you suggestions. And that suggestions you can take into consideration and add it into your quest bar. And then it will appear at the bottom. And then you can pick that if you're done with that too. So if I log out and let's say if you want to see it from an admin point of view, so you log in through an admin account, and it's already linked to anything that has @questlog.com as long as it has admin. And when you're in, you basically you get like a admin point of view. So it will show you their total tasks, their completed tasks, the uses, and the completion rate for each one of them. So, okay. So as I said, the features in that was add complete delete, an AI assistant, boss enemy visuals with HP bar, a Firebase, login, daily quest, XP and level system, my stats panel, and Firebase image upload. So what I learned is to build a full stack project integration with all these. Every project that I've done so far has slowly been adding and making it a bigger, full-on website. And going through all of it was very interesting. And I would say like the improved like layout and logic, I was dealing with that quite a lot, like the layout for users, and asking like peers and all that for their review on that, and they kind of enjoyed and would use something like this in their daily use. And so to conclude, QuestLog turns boring tasks list into an engaging adventure with XP, enemies, and quests. It's a full-stack productivity tool with real-time AI interaction. And lastly, I would like to say a big thanks to Devon and like everyone else, my family, my girlfriend, and my friends for all the guidance and support. So thank you for joining my quest, and that's the end of my presentation.